So Kingsyard was kind enough to send me this hummingbird feeder. It's the first hummingbird feeder I've ever owned. So I'm really excited. So in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing. But guys, before we assemble the product, we have to give these beautiful birds something to eat. So I'm going to show you how to make homemade nectar. I got this particular recipe from the Hummingbird Society. All you'll need is granular sugar or cane sugar. Then you'll boil water and you'll pour a half a cup of boiled water into the sugar. That way it will dissolve faster. Then you'll take a half a cup of cold water and put it in the mixture. And that's it. Let me know what recipe you have for homemade hummingbird nectar. I'd love to know in the comment section. I have the red one. You can see right here, there is a red one, and this one is red and white. This one is a teal, and this one is a purple. So they have a variety of colors. So this is the main feeder, and it's made out of glass. You can see the details on it. Has some beautiful flowers etched in. Really nice and sturdy. This is the removable base, and you can see it opens up. From what I understand, that sometimes bird feeders can be very difficult to clean, but you can see this is made out of plastic, has those really cute little flowers where the hummingbird can sip its nectar, and since it opens, it's easy to clean. And what I understand, this is something that helps with controls the ants. So the direction says to put the hummingbird feeder on a flat surface. What we're going to do is pour in the nectar. And this base right here, we're going to screw it on. Make sure it's nice and tight. So guys, here's the moment of truth. We will turn around. Hopefully there's no spillage. No spillage at all. You can see all the nectar in the hummingbird feeder. The ant moat comes with 2 screws that you screw in to both ends, one at the top to hold the hummingbird feeder and another one at the bottom to attach to the hummingbird feeder. Once we attach it, voila! Instant hummingbird feeder. I should say that this was really easy to assemble. Let's talk about the product itself. It is very sturdy. I am holding it and it has a lot of weight to it. It has a good sturdy weight. It doesn't feel flimsy. It doesn't feel cheap. I like the fact that this is glass. And we all know hummingbirds are attracted to bright colors. And this, my dear, is very bright. It's a bright red. It's a beautiful color. I love the yellow flowers at the bottom. So it's recommended you routinely change the water, and this is the reason why this removable plastic base is good. If you live in the hotter climates, it's recommended that you change it at least every 2 days. Since we are in a cooler climate and it is September, we in the colder climates can get away with changing it at least once a week. The Hummingbird Society says to place your hummingbird feeder in an area that gets a dapple shade. This way it won't spoil the nectar. So that's really important for you guys who live in those hot. Also want to place a bird feeder like this in an area 3 to 4 feet away from the window. You don't want those beautiful hummingbirds colliding into the window. So make sure that you have enough space. You don't want to put it too close to the window because you don't want them to get hurt. And the most important part, put your hummingbird feeder in an area where there's a lot of flowers or shrubs. The hummingbirds will be more attracted to not only the nectar, but also the flowers. Now that my feeder is in my garden, I am hoping to get plenty of hummingbirds to this spot. So it's a good thing to put the hummingbird feeders up because often hummingbirds return to the same place year after year. So by putting up a feeder now, you can actually set yourself up for even more hummingbirds next spring. Here's a bonus tip. Since the weather is getting cooler where I live, lots of birds are now searching for food. And a good way to help your bird population is coneflowers. Old coneflowers are a great way to feed the birds. They love to munch on these old coneflowers. So if you have old coneflowers in your garden, don't prune it, just leave it for the birds. So these spent flowers provide protein-rich seeds that birds like goldfinch, sparrows and chickadees can easily get to. They may not be as attractive, but these coneflower heads really do help out the birds. So you should just leave them through the fall and even during the winter. So say you already cut your coneflowers, you already prune it, and you don't have any old coneflowers. A bird feeder like this one is another way that you can help our birds this winter. This is also from Kingsyard, and this is a squirrel-proof bird feeder. It's designed to keep squirrels out of the bird feeder. By once the squirrel comes up here and pushes here, it locks the feeder so no squirrels can get to the bird seed. If you're lucky enough to live in a warmer climate, both these types of feeders you can enjoy all season long. Even though it's going into the fall, these products are still available. So if you are interested in the hummingbird feeder or the bird feeder, I got you. I have a 20% discount code. Just use the discount code Carmen Garden and you will be able to get 20% off your purchase. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your family and friends. Since you're still here, why don't you stick around to watch the next video? This one is a doozy and it comes with lots of drama.